face in the video?
He's drinking a pop in the back.
Wait, I'm gonna be showing my face in this YouTube video. How come, wait, Chris is allowed to drink pop on rides?
Yes.
What happens if he spills? Yeah, wait,
Where's Lucas?
okay, that's Lucas and that's Spider backpack. That's Chris right there. That's Chris right there, but the shirt that says on the back is that as far as as far as playing cards with the garden shell. And look at this. French was that was started by accident. Oh no, Chris, why would you do that? Just telling me to stop recording.
Alright, don't record him.
It's in the video
Yeah, well, don't record this, but let's take a break.
Yeah, but we're gonna Orlando, Disney World.
Flo Cruz and his churro.
Wait, let me see. I want to chill out too.
Alright, stop recording, but you're gonna waste your battery.
Look, I'm showing them this. So we're going back to Disney World today, and then thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.